In this video, you will learn how you can do this type of face tracking edit. A lot of people think this is a some kind of camera recording trick, but it's not. It is just very simple camera editing trick that you can do same for free using the CapCut. By the way, when you are recording your video, make sure there is some empty space around your subject. I mean, this is a landscape video. There is a lot of space. You don't need that space, but make sure there is some space around your subject. Okay. So here I am on my mobile and I have connected the VPN because CapCut is banned is in India. So that's why you need VPN. So I will open CapCut and I will click on a new project, and here I will import my video clip. Here it is. I will click on add, and first of all I will change the aspect ratio, and I will zoom. Okay, and after that, I mean, in my case there is a lot of space, as you can see, and I want to place my subject in the center. But if you are recording in this portrait mode, then make sure you add a little bit zoom in, or you already recorded in the wide angle. Anyway, after that, click your select your clip, and here you click on camera tracking, and here we have two options. First is AI movement, and most of the time you see this dynamic or shake effect. Basically, it will automatically add these effects depending upon the audio beat. But here I don't have any any audio, so I will not go with these options. So what I will do, I will click on camera tracking, and here I will select face and I will click on track, and it will take couple of seconds depending upon the length of our video. And here it is pretty short clip, so it is done. By the way, you see this fit canvas, make sure it is turn off, because if you turn it on, it will add a lot of zoom that doesn't look good enough. So I will turn it off, and I will increase the rotation a little bit. And here, let's check our video. How does it look like? Yeah. So you can see the video is moving left and right uh, as our face is moving. It had a lot of keyframe, as you can see. So yeah, it is that simple. After that, you can export your video and you are ready to share it on social media. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you get value from it. If you are new here, consider subscribing.